All of us, my brothers and my sisters, we know how much money is in your dunya account. But you don't know how much money is in your akhirah account. We don't know. We have no check for this. We can't, wallah, put in a, jump on a website and see, I want to check up, how are my savings in the hereafter. Unfortunately, we don't. Each and every one of us, my brothers and my sisters, will meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with two very, very, very precise and embarrassing numbers. One number on Judgment Day will summarize all the money you spent on desires and shahawat in your life. How much money did you spend on dunya? Buy things, eat things. 90% of the time, there's a factor of israf. Food, clothes, comfort, luxury, wife, children, showing off. And beside this number, there's another number that highlights how much money you spent all your life fi sabilillah sincerely. And these two numbers, my brothers and my sisters, I'm telling you, the gap between them is embarrassing. It is exposing. It speaks millions of words about the reality of our iman. And this is why the Prophet ﷺ said, وَالصَّدَقَةُ بُرْهَانٌ. Charity is proof of faith. People that spend money fi sabilillah, they are loud on Judgment Day. They come on Judgment Day and he has evidence. And we don't want to spend money that we don't need. Most people, when they spend money, my brothers, what do they spend? They spend extra. I have a t-shirt. I wore it until خلاص حرمنا التفتة تنتيف خلاص it can't be worn anymore. Then you tell your wife, خلاص بقى, send it to Palestine. في سبيل الله. What are we going to do يعني with it? Send it في سبيل الله. We give Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the things that we don't need. We give Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the money that we feel